Welcome to 561 Oxbow Loop. This Creekside Townhome is an end unit in one of the best locations in all of Eagle Crest, right next to the pickleball and tennis courts, right next to the fitness center. It's an end unit with close proximity to the pond, to the creek, with beautiful surroundings, storage in the front and the back, and the basketball court is close by. It's an awesome unit, great location, good parking out front too. You've got your 2 dedicated spots. The mailboxes are just around the loop, and there's a neat little library book drop up there too. Awesome location, great unit. Standing in the foyer, looking into the great room, you can see the brand new laminate floors throughout the living space. They're in beautiful condition. It's a nice gray tone with some blues in there. Perfectly picks up the natural surroundings. There's awesome natural light throughout this unit, especially being one of the end units. Its location and privacy is unmatched. It's private even before the trees out back that are deciduous leaf out, but as those large deciduous trees fill out in the spring, it's really quite private in here. Big dining area. The foyer is large enough to have a bench to sit down and take off your shoes, and a table too. There's a breakfast bar with granite tile counters. The kitchen has newer stainless appliances, other than the fridge that is a black appliance but matches nicely. There's a good view out that kitchen window. Stainless dishwasher here. Lots of plugs. Propane fireplace, nice built-ins, central heat with a heat pump. There's a thermostat for the central furnace, and then the fireplace thermostat. This leads into the primary, a large bedroom. Very comfortably fits a king-size bed with large end tables. It has its own private access through the slider out to the patio and hot tub. The hot tub is included, and everything you see is included. The home comes fully furnished. There's one painting in the living room and one other piece of art that's not included, but otherwise everything comes with, including the washer and dryer. Double vanity, nice tile floors, a soaker tub, shower, and the all-important enclosed toilet. The washer and dryer are located here in the primary. These are newer, very nice units in excellent condition. The guest bedroom is large. This is a queen-size bed. Still has lots of room for end tables, and there's a built-in desk with a great view out towards the pickleball courts. And these are 9-foot ceilings where it's not vaulted. Hall linens closet, and then the guest bathroom with tub shower combination, tiled floors, tiled vanity, good storage. Moving to the paver patio with propane heater. Looking back on the creek here in Creekside with that trail that leads right down to the pond that's stocked with fish. We'll walk down there later so you can see that area. The owners lived here with this as their primary residence with some smaller kids and fish down there. Had a good time catching bass. It's just an awesome little spot to take in the beauty or do a little fly fishing or some bait fishing, whatever you prefer. There's a hookup for your barbecue for the propane. The sounds of the red-winged blackbirds and all the other creatures out here because of this water, it's just awesome. I'm now on the trail just behind the unit, looking straight back at the unit behind those trees. Here's the creek that runs behind, and the trail that goes all along that creek leads down to the pond that's stocked with fish. It's right next to the basketball court, the splash pad, and the fitness center. The back of the subject property, it's paver patio. All these beautiful trees that give it some privacy. They're just starting to leaf out. It's the start of spring. The sounds of the red-winged blackbirds, ducks and geese, all right out your back door. Walkway across the creek, on straight ahead. Nice picnic tables and benches throughout. Basketball court. And the splash pad and outdoor pool are closed because it's still too early in the spring, but they will be open shortly. That is the fitness center. Weight room and workout equipment inside. Hot tub, pool, and a splash pad beyond. And this awesome little pond. A great neighborhood, and probably the best located single level townhome in all of Creekside.